Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to redeem codes in Rivals on Roblox and quickly claim your free rewards in the game. If you're new to Rivals, redeeming codes is a simple way to get extra items, keys, or other bonuses that can help you progress faster. First, open Roblox and launch the Rivals game. Once the game loads and you are in the lobby, look around the screen for the Rewards or Codes button. In most versions, you'll see a small gift icon or a button labeled Codes on the side of your screen. Click on that button to open the Code Redemption window. Now you'll see a text box where you can enter your code. Carefully type or paste the working Rivals code into that box, exactly as it appears, because codes are usually case-sensitive. After entering the code, press the Redeem button. If the code is still active, you'll instantly receive your reward and a confirmation message will appear on the screen. If it doesn't work, the code might be expired or typed incorrectly, so try again with another active code. That's it, and now you know how to redeem codes in Rivals on Roblox. Subscribe the channel for more videos.